Hi, Dr. Matin is here from Pulse Light Clinic. Today we're going to talk about dissolving fillers and why people getting filler in the first place and why they're dissolving. Well, people obviously can get dermal fillers for several reasons. It's just for volumizing the face, adding to the volume that they might have lost, changing the facial structures, beautification, adding definitions for several reasons. Well, sometimes if you overdo fillers and adding too much volume, it can show like a lump, or it may not look as nice, and in a certain light it may change the facial structure too much and the person may not like it, or it may cause some troubles and some problems. Sometimes it compresses on a blood vessel, which can cause some issues, and that may require dissolving or removing the filler. Well, there are several fillers, and one type, which is a hyaluronic acid based fillers, are the one which we can dissolve easily. There is another injection which needs to be done in the site that filler is injected, which is called hyalase, which dissolves the filler. Other type of more semi-permanent fillers, which are collagen stimulators, are much harder to dissolve and to remove, and sometimes they may require surgical procedures to remove them. That is why it's so important to have fillers done in the safe hand with accredited and well trained professionals. Dissolving filler is not very difficult if the person knows what to do. It is almost instant, so you can dissolve the hyaluronic acid fillers almost instantly. Well, injecting hyalase in the lip could be in the face could be a bit uncomfortable. Yes, it might be a bit stingy, but then again, if it's done gently and in the right layer, it should be quite bearable. Well, that's instantly it can cause a little bit more of the redness. It can cause some swelling as well, and the other downside is it dissolves hyaluronic acid, so it can actually dissolve some of your natural hyaluronic acid as well, and the area of the injection may go smaller than even before the filler is injected, so you will lose a bit of your natural hyaluronic as well. So as we know now, a lot of celebrities, a lot of even famous people, they're starting to get their fillers dissolved because it changed the facial structure, it changed the shape, it changed their look, it changed the aging as well. So it is really important that your healthcare professional do a thorough assessment if you're suitable for a particular procedure or not. As you see, many of the before and after procedures are only in a 2D way, so when they do, for example, the jawline, you mostly see the pictures from the side, but it's ideally you see the pictures from all angles to see how the facial structures change with those fillers. So if you have more questions, if you want to see if you're suitable for any particular procedure, or if you're thinking about removing your fillers, please get in touch and book a consultation with me.